Google has updated their Google Play billing library to 6.0, and they have released a notice on their official website that starting from August 2023 all the new apps must use billing library version 5 or newer, and by November 1st 23 all the existing apps must use billing library version 5 or newer. It means that whatever existing applications are there, they will not be able to use the previous version of Google Play billing library, and they must update their billing library to 5 or newer. Welcome to Apple's tutorial. Let's get started. Let's create a new project. Give the name of the project, something like billing client test. Let's first implement the Google Play Billing Client 6.0 in our build.gradle. Implementation from the Android billing. I will be putting the Google Doc URL in description for reference. Now let's move to main activity and first create object of billing client. Okay, let's import the class billing client. And now let's first initialize the billing client. So generally what I do, I create a separate method, and do not forget to call it from any button or subscription or in-app purchase button. One more thing, in this activity we need to implement purchase listener. Yeah, and now let's implement the methods on purchase operator. Yeah, okay, and now let's come back to setting up the billing plan. Billing plan dot new builder context. So it's activity dot this set listener this dot enable alternative enable pending purchase. Now let's set the connection. Okay, so now on billing setup finished, so what we have to do here, we have to check our purchase code. Sorry, we have to check here for the response code. Billing result dot get response billing flag. Okay, so here we can do the operation whatever we wanna do, something like proceed with purchase, and here we can give some conditions like if billing result dot get response code not equal to something, response code is not okay, or we have some responses codes here. You can see service timeout, feature not supported. So based on all these things, we can put here conditions using else if, and based on that, we can tell the user what error is happening. Okay, let's leave that part. And in the service disconnected, we can give user some post message or anything. Yeah. Now let's query our purchase. So create a new method. So this method will be called whenever the billing response code is okay. Query purchase. Billing client dot query purchase sync. Purchase set product. We got two types of products here. One is in-app and second one is subscription. So based on our requirement, we can select out of these two. So I'm gonna select in-app, and then we gonna select this. Sorry. Sorry. So whenever we have whenever this call is made, it checks for the list, and out of these lists we need to verify whether it is matching with our code given in the Play Store or not. Product code, it matches with the product code, so we need to look through the list and match it with the product code. So let's first check if the list is not 0. So this is just to make sure that our list is not empty, it has returned some value here. And now we can loop through our purchase. For example, list products dot equals, here we need to give the key what we have given in the Play Store. It should be unique and very difficult. So, test code. Remember that this code is case sensitive, and here we can use numeric values also in between somewhere, just to make it a bit difficult so that it is not able to guess easily. And here you can do your operation, something like enabling the feature for the user or disabling it if it is not verified, something like that. And on purchase updated, here what we gonna do, billing client dot new builder, get context here, get application context. Pending purchase dot bill, and here we can check for the different response codes here. Yeah, the same way how we were checking here. Sorry, here. Same way we can check here as well. We can notify user whenever there is any error occurs, or whenever our activity is starting. Every time user is not gonna do the purchase, so we can just call this method and check if user has already bought your subscription or in-app purchase is done. So based on that you can control your in-app purchase feature. If billing client with billing result dot get response code dot okay, we're gonna give something else if developer error, feature not supported, item already owned, item not owned. So based on all these options, we can enable or disable our in-app purchase or subscription feature here. The app. So this is useful when we are doing the testing in our local. Billing client is not it. So where is it table? Instead of let's make it final. The code similar to what you have given in your Play Store. So this is how we do the changes in the 6 pointer.